to operate the mill by yourself?
Oh yeah, I mean, it's pretty straightforward.
Okay.
Okay, this is your chance to prove yourself. He's your future father-in-law. You need to impress him.
I think I'm going to go and get in the truck and go cut some blowdowns.
Okay, sounds good. I've done this 1,000 times.
Thousand times, eh? That guy has no idea what he's going to do.
1,000 times? Who says that? Okay, how do I turn this thing on? Let's see here. There. I know. Go to page 4. What? Go to page 4. Thanks. You're welcome. Oh, this is awesome. Hey, Sawmill.
Uh-huh.
Show me sawmill operating tips.
Now showing sawmill operating tips from the online community.
Nice. Oh, that's better. Let's see. That's probably a good one.
You gotta put the foot to the rock here, boys and girls. It is.
No, not really. Let's see what else we got here. Oh, this one will be good.
Hi, and welcome back to Modern Sawmill Tree Farm and our new HD38 Max portable sawmill. Just got this thing put together. Did a series on how to assemble the machine. In case you're interested in seeing what.
No, still not what I'm looking for. Let's see here.
So welcome back, guys. On the last video I mentioned that we were about to embark on a chicken coop project. Well, here it is. Here's our chicken coop in kind of the raw form, I guess. These are the logs, or these are some of the logs. I don't think this will get all the materials that we need. But these are some of the logs that were left over from the shed build project.
Oh, these guys know what they're talking about.
If you just got your sawmill, this is a perfect video for you. So let's begin. First off, hearing protection, and then let's go ahead and get it started.
Oh, that's how you do it. Okay. There we go. Let's see if this works here. Thanks so much for watching this video. We had so much fun with it. If you didn't guess, the awesome accessory was the online community. So we just wanted to give a shout out to the online community. Use the link right now. It's great. We really thank you so much. Yeah, so thanks for watching the video. We really appreciate it. Hey, and if you like this video, subscribe. We really appreciate it. We work really hard on these videos. Yeah, so thanks. Have a good day. See you later. Okay, see you later. See you later. Probably like right here, and I have to look really nervous.
I think you captured it.
Okay, good. I've done this 1,000 times.
So that was perfect. That sounded pretty good.